welcome to my channel. Now I will be teaching you how to make these flowers. They are really very cute. See, you can make it by using two colors. Actually it looks good if you use two colors. Both the colors should be contrasting. There is one more variant of this flower, this one. It is just I have increased the number of whorls and I have worked one more extra whorl behind this. Okay, so even you can try like this, but now first we will learn how to make these. Okay, so let's get started. I am using baby pink color for the inner color and I'll be using dark pink to make these edges. So to start, make a chain of 6. Make a slip knot, keep a shorter tail, make a slip knot and chain 6. Okay, so this is chain 6. Now join these two ends to create a circle. Join with a slip stitch. The circle is created. Make chain 3, wrap the yarn around the hook and make a double crochet by inserting the hook in this center of the circle. Okay, now make chain 3 and 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, both in the center of the circle. Chain 3, 2 more double crochets, so you have to do this till you have 6 spaces like this. Now we have created 2 spaces. Continue the same to create 6 spaces. Chain 3. So 5 spaces are ready. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now to make a 6th space, you have to make a slip stitch on the top of this chain 3 that you have created. Okay, chain 3, this is the third chain, 1, 2, 3. So you have to join it on the top and make a slip stitch. So this completes the round. Okay, this completes the round. You can cut this tail. Now you have 6 spaces to work. To begin the next round, make a slip stitch in between the 2 double crochets. Here, just make a slip stitch. Okay, make a slip stitch. Now you will be working in these spaces to make the petal. Wrap the yarn around the hook and make 2 half double crochets. 2 half double crochets in this space. Next, you will make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. 3 double crochets, then 2 more half double crochets, 1 and 2. So by making half double crochets and double crochets in between, you will get this circular structure. Then what you have to do is make a slip stitch again in between these 2 double crochets. here make a slip stitch. This completes your first petal. Now what you did for the first petal, you will be repeating it for the rest of the petals. 2 half double crochets, 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets, 2 more half double crochets, 1 and 2, then a slip stitch here. Then continue the same for the rest of the petals. I have completed making the petals. Now to end this round, you have to make a slip stitch in between these two double crochets where we had begun making the petals. So make a slip stitch here, make a slip stitch, make a chain 1 and cut. So this is how the second round of the flower looks like. Now you will be doing this edging. Now you will do this edging. For that you can choose any contrasting color. I will be changing the color to a dark pink color. Okay, I have my second color. So you have to join it just beside where we ended our work here, and I have not made any knots here. Just pick up the color like this, pick up the color and lock it there by a chain. Again, if you feel it is unsecure, then you can make a knot, but it's not necessary at all. So now you have to do chain 2, okay? And one more tip is, when you are working along, just try to keep these two tails along with your work, okay? Work over them so that you don't have to hide them later using needles. So continue, chain 2 and go into the next stitch here, this V stitch. Carry these two along, these two tails along, and make a single crochet. Okay, again chain 2, insert the hook in the next chain, don't skip anything, and a single crochet. Chain 2, single crochet in the next, chain 2, single crochet, again chain 2 and single crochet. So when you reach at this point, what you have to do is you have to make a slip stitch in between these two double crochets here. Don't make it too tight, pull it upwards, make a slip stitch, done. And to the next chain, make one more slip stitch here, then begin by making chain 2, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Continue this till the end. Don't forget to make a slip stitch in between these two. Okay, I have reached to the end. This is my last petal. Chain 2, last stitch remaining, single crochet. Now make a slip stitch in between these two. Now to end this, make a slip stitch where we began our work with the second color, slip stitch, and this is done. Now chain 1 and fasten off. This is done, the flower is done now. Okay. Take your needle and just hide this end. This is the back side. This is the front of your flower. This flower looks really beautiful. You can keep some button in between or a pearl. Now it is ready to be attached to the headband like this. It looks really beautiful. Try it. I hope you understood how to make this. Among all the flowers I have made, this is my favorite. So thank you so much for watching. Make this and share your comments. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.